device. There's a body in a tub.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, south central Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Clemson, or 5 miles north of North Lake, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Power lines. Locations impacted include Piedmont, Belton, Williamston, Northlake, West Pelzer, Sandy Springs, Pendleton, Donaldson Center, Central, and Anderson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson, Greenville, and Pickens.
That door.
I want you not to be here when I come back. We're bad luck, Jen. My partner doesn't need you here, and I sure as hell